Welcome back. I'm Eda, and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today, as you can see, we have another unboxing. I think this is the first W I got on sneakers and stuff since 2017. That's a long time to take L's on raffles. So I've been getting straight L's for 3 years now? So at least 2021 is starting off on a good note. As far as sneaker releases, anyway, for me. But yeah, this is my second pair of New Balances in my lifetime, so that's that. Okay, this comes with like a little dope manual for like returns or whatever. But I'm excited to see this shoe. Got the Vision Racer on that joint. Oh, almost dropped the box. It's recyclable. Pretty cool box, man. As far as the label, nothing spectacular, but you see that size 12. Then on the back, or the bottom of the box is like this. But yeah, been wanting a pair of these for a while. I really wanted a surplus colorway, but that was like nearly impossible to get my hands on those. So I figured I like this colorway. I think it was two of them. It was the black and pink version, and then this version right here. And I ended up winning two on a raffle, so I'm definitely trying to get rid of the other one. If anybody is watching this, they wear a size 12, and you want to cop for retail, just hit me up in the comments or my email, whatever, and then we can figure it out. All right, let's see. First glance. Let's do this together. Is that 3M? I gotta take these joints up. Oh, they came with pink laces. Okay. Let me get y'all close up real quick. There we have it. The New Balance and Jaden Smith Vision Racer in the white and pink. But it's more like a cream, I want to say. Or gray. It's definitely weird. There's a lot of weird stuff going on with the materials and the colors. Oh yeah, definitely gotta give y'all this close-up detailed look because it's a lot going on. So let's go ahead and get it started, man. You have your gray, it's like white and gray canvas along the upper. Then of course you have your in for your New Balance with the white mesh. And then you have like Vision Racer in pink going along the piping. And then you can't miss this really thick sole. It's crazy. It's definitely soft to the touch. It's definitely like a foam sole, but you can see the specs in there. So I guess that's where the recycled material comes from. I'm not sure. I have to look that up. But the sole looks like it's been recycled. You can tell like throughout the shoe. It's like bits and pieces, but overall it's dope. That's why I cop. Luckily for retail. Then you get to the toe box. You have a white mesh toe box. And going along the tongue, you have your like tongue tab. You have your white rope laces or like skinny rope laces. And then you have your extra set of pink. And then you have that Vision Eraser tongue tag. It's kind of like a translucent material, like a rubberized piece. Then going to the back, your heel tab. You have a translucent heel tab with that New Balance logo on it. And then going inside the shoe, you have Jaden Smith's signature in pink with a multicolored insole, but I believe it's made out of recycled material as well. And then of course, the bottom of the shoe, you have that Vision Racer in pink. Get a close up right there. And you have that New Balance logo. So like I said, this is a crazy shoe. I'm definitely glad I got them for retail. And this pair isn't reselling for too much. So like I said, definitely hit me up if you're a size 12 or 11.5. Whatever you want to do, just take this extra pair off my hands. But if not, I'll definitely list it on Gold or eBay or whatever. Or I might just wait and take it to like a consignment shop or something to see if they want a pair of these. Check out the other one. A little different on this one. I think I can go ahead and pop out the insole so I give you guys a closer look. Yeah, everything else is identical except for this. We run the city in these Vision laces. Like I said, this is a dope shoe, man. I'm definitely excited to finally get a pair. I know a lot of people don't like these, but I like different stuff, so. And then I'm a size 12, so these joints look like platform shoes. But it's all good. I'm definitely gonna, I want to throw these on feet for you guys, so if you want to see it, let me know down in the comments, and I would definitely shoot this on foot. But I mean, I'm going to put them on anyway, just for my personal opinion, to see how they fit and everything. But yeah, I'm going to try these on, let you guys know down in the comments how they fit, because I didn't see any videos on YouTube actually explaining the fit. So I would definitely link that in the comments once I try them on. But yeah, I appreciate you for watching my video, man. If you made it to the end, thank you. It's definitely rare these days, especially with sneaker YouTube. Usually once whoever shows the shoe, it's a wrap for the video. A lot of people click off. So if you made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. I know you probably planned on doing it a few videos back, but you just forgot. You know, we're human. It's okay, but I'm here to remind you. Go ahead, click that red subscribe button and click the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. It's been your boy E.Reap. It's been the Jaden Smith and New Balance Vision Racer. Catch y'all on the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.